and it's really about protection. So a special, any changes to our trust deed require passing of a special resolution. And that's a special resolution has a specific meaning in our trust deed. It has more higher barriers to overcome for it to pass. For instance, we have to get the 75% majority. We have to have 100 whānau present at the hui to make it a quorum. So it sets a very high bar. So there are only certain things that require a special resolution. One of those being any changes to our trust deed. What we are proposing here, similar to last year, is a change to our trust deed. So we have to do that by special resolution, and special resolutions can only be passed at a special general meeting. So it's very specifically laid out in our trust deed. Whereas at our AGM, our ordinary resolutions there get passed by 50% majority. So it's a lower hurdle. So it is really about making sure that the integrity of the trust deed is not compromised by being able to more easily change those important elements that keep us all protected.
Yeah, and if I reflect back to 2010, we were constructing this new post-settlement governance entity. These were some of the discussions that the trustees of that era were having. I kind of think with these special general meeting take and kaupapa are big ones. The kaupapa nui. Like James said, the threshold's high, 75%, and it's kind of like they're there to save us from ourselves. So we've actually got to think about it deeply as a leadership group, get independent views on it, and engage with the whānau so that the whānau understand what they're being asked to approve or not approve. And ultimately, it's not the elected rep's decision; it's in the whānau's hands. And we hope that the whānau will trust our advice and that we have their best interests in hand and will support the Aotearoa uplift.